Today I'm going to teach you how to create a halftone effect like this in Photoshop. So first of all, you want to drag your layer, your photo into Photoshop. Then you want to go to adjustments, and the first thing you want to do is hue slash saturation. You want to turn the saturation down so it's black and white. Now you also want to go to adjustments and change the brightness slash contrast. I would just recommend whacking up the contrast a bit here. And boom, that's all you need to do for those. So now you can select all these together, and I'd go to merge layers. So this is all one layer now. Okay, so now it's time for some filters. So go to filter, go to filter gallery. So I'm going to right click here. Okay, so the first filter you want to add is called reticulation. You can find it in the sketch and down here to reticulation. So you want to set the settings on 0, 2, and 36 like this. Now you want to press add and add new effect layer. The next one you want to add is grain. So you want to put intensity on 20 and contrast on 34. I'm going to add that in like this. Add a new layer. And this is where you want to add the halftone effect. Now, I'll just turn this on here. Size, you want to do between 2 and 4. You can just judge how it actually looks, because if you do say low, it's going to be a lot darker. High, it's going to be like this. So just judge what you want it on. I put between 2 and 4. I think that looks generally pretty good. Contrast you want on 50, and that's pretty easy. You can also change it to lines or circles. I'm going to do dots. Now, lastly, you want to add something called film grain. I'm going to turn this on here. Now for film grain, you want settings to be on 11, 18, and 2. Press OK, and boom. That's how you do it. Pretty simple, right? Now what you want to do from here is file export and export as a JPEG or PNG, and you've done. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.